Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super rewarding project, creating your own backyard vegetable garden. Whether you want fresh, organic produce or just want to make the most of your space, I've got everything you need to get started. Let's jump in. The first step to a successful garden is choosing the perfect spot. Vegetables love sunlight, so look for a location in your backyard that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. A sunny area will ensure your plants grow strong and produce abundantly. Make sure it's an area with good drainage. You don't want your plants to sit in water after rain or watering. If your backyard is prone to waterlogging, consider raised beds. Good soil is the foundation of a great garden. Loosen up the soil in your chosen area to at least 8 to 12 inches deep, breaking up any clumps. Then add organic compost to enrich the soil with nutrients. Compost is like superfood for your plants, helping them grow healthier and more productive. Once your soil is ready, you can also add mulch on top to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Mulching is especially important during hot summer months to keep the soil cool and hydrated. Now comes the fun part, choosing what to plant. Some easy vegetables for beginners include tomatoes, lettuce, cucumbers, peppers, and carrots. These are low maintenance and yield a good harvest. If you're limited on space, go for vertical growers like beans and peas. You can train these plants to climb trellises or poles, saving room for other plants. When planting, remember to follow the spacing guidelines on seed packets or plant labels. Overcrowding your garden can lead to diseases and reduce productivity, so give your plants enough room to thrive. Now that everything's planted, it's time to care for your vegetable garden. Watering is key. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Early morning is the best time to water, as it helps reduce evaporation. You can feed your plants with a balanced organic fertilizer every few weeks to promote healthy growth. Pay attention to any signs of pests or diseases, and treat them quickly with organic pest control methods. Harvest time is the most exciting part of gardening. Different veggies have different harvesting times, but most will be ready to pick after a few months. For example, tomatoes are best picked when fully red, cucumbers when they're firm and green, and lettuce can be harvested leaf by leaf. And there's nothing quite like the taste of fresh, homegrown vegetables. You'll taste the difference right away. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to ensure your backyard vegetable garden flourishes. Rotate your crops each year to avoid depleting the soil and prevent pests. Use companion planting. Certain plants like basil and tomatoes grow better when planted together. Don't forget to weed regularly. Weeds can steal nutrients from your veggies. Start small and expand as you gain confidence. Gardening is a journey, not a race. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to starting a backyard vegetable garden. Whether you're growing for yourself, your family, or even just as a hobby, gardening brings so many rewards. It connects you to nature, teaches you patience, and of course, gives you the freshest vegetables right from your backyard. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.